Dear students, we are handling the topic functions level 2 classwork. Functions level 2 classwork. In previous class, we have discussed until 29 bits. Let us going to discuss today from 30th bit onwards. Level 2 classwork, page number 57, question number 30. This is day 3 video. Let a is equal to minus 1 comma 1 given. A is equal to minus 1 comma 1, that is also equal to b. Then which of the following functions is bijective function? First option, f of x is equal to x square by 2 should be given, not x by 2, x square by 2. Second option, g of x equal to mod x. Third option, h of x equal to x square, and k of x equal to fourth option, k of x is equal to, this is option 4. First option x square by 2, second option g of x is equal to modulus of x, and third option h of x is equal to x square. Fourth option k of x is equal to sin pi x by 2. Sin pi x by 2. Now try to understand like this: a comma b, the values between a comma b like this. Of course, not only minus 1, 0. Midday of numbers are there between minus 1 and 1. Minus 1, 0, 1. Simply I am taking minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Example, sin pi x by 2. Here substitute the value x is equal to minus 1, sin pi into minus 1, sin minus pi by 2. So minus sin pi by 2, value minus 1. Sin 0 is 0, sin 1 is 1. Like that, for every value here, image is there. For every b, the image will be there. So this is bijective. That's all. Directly also we can say that x square is not at all bijective, because minus 1 whole square becomes 1 and 1 whole square becomes 1. Modulus of x is also plus, we should consider for negative also, minus 1 modulus 1 plus 1 modulus 1. So it is also wrong. Of course, x square minus 1 whole square 1 and 1 whole square 1. It is not 1 1, this is not 1 1, this is not 1 1. Whenever it is not 1 1, this is not bijection. So only option 4 is bijection. Now 31. Say 31st question. F maps R to C defined by f of x is equal to e power 31st question. F of x is equal to f of x is equal to e power 2ix. E power 2ix, for all x belongs to real number. He defined the function as f maps R to C. R means real number, C means complex number. R to C defined as f of e power 2ix for x belongs to R. C denotes set of all complex numbers. So what is this one? According to option 1 1 on 2, 1 1 and on 2, neither 1 1 nor on 2. Let us verify. Formula, Euler's formula is in hyperbolic concept. You will be learning in second year concept complex number chapter. Euler's formula. Complex Euler's formula. Euler's formula, e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the Euler's formula. E power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So f of x is equal to e power I into 2x. F of x equal to like this, you can write e power I into 2x. E power I theta formula cos theta plus I sin theta. So cos 2x plus I sin 2x. Cos 2x plus I sin 2x. Now also not only this one, we can substitute here f of 2 pi plus x. F of 2 pi plus x, you can understand f of cos of like this, 2 into 2 pi plus x plus I sin of 2 into 2 pi plus x. So cos 2 into 2 pi plus x means cos 4 pi plus 2x. Cos 4 pi is nothing but cos 0. Cos 2x, it is cos 2x directly we can write, plus I sin is also sin 2x directly we can write. Like this, not only f of 2 pi plus x, f of 4 pi plus x, f of 6 pi plus x. Like that, plenty of values you can substitute. For y star, you are decision like this. Of course, this is nothing but periodic function. F of p plus x is equal to f of x is periodic function where p is period of it. So for every value 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, anything, plenty of values you can substitute. What we are getting? Simply the value of x we are getting. F of 2 pi plus 6, 4 pi plus 6, everything. So for plenty of values you are getting same answer. So it indicates it is not 1 1. It is not 1 1. So whenever it is not 1 1, it is not bijection. Of course, he is asking about 1 1 and on. Right like this. This is a real number. This is a complex number. For complex numbers, simply numbers are there. This is real numbers. For complex number, plenty of example. Complex number means a plus ib. It is a complex number. A plus ib is a complex number where a belongs to R and b belongs to R. This is real number. This is real number. Real number plus or minus associated with any imaginary number is called as complex number. For every complex number here there will be no pre-image. So every function of B should have at least one pre-image in A. Whenever here no pre-image in the real number, it is not R2. So for C, there is no pre-image. C means complex number. For C, there is no pre-image in R. There is no pre-image in R means real number. Therefore, not on. Not onto, not 1 1. Meaning, according to option here, neither 1 1 nor onto fourth option. 30. First question completed. Let us see 30. Second question. A function f maps n to z. N means natural number, that is integers. A function f maps n to z defined by f of n is equal to modulus, there is no modulus, f of n is equal to n minus 1 by 2, n minus 1 by 2 and minus n by 2 according to odd and even. Odd and even. F of n is equal to f maps. 32nd question. F maps n to z element. F maps n to z. F of n is equal to n minus 1 by 2. N is odd. N is odd. Next one minus n by 2. N is even. Substitute any value, no problem. N to z. So substitute n. Put n is equal to 1. You write. N is equal to 1. 1 means odd. So odd here you substitute. 1 minus 1 by 2, it becomes f of n is equal to 0. Okay. Z integer. Okay. Next n is equal to even substitute. 2. N equal to 2 means even. Even means this one n by 2. That is equal to f of n is equal to minus 2 by 2 means minus 1. Okay. Minus z. It is okay. Then for every number, for even, we should calculate this one. For odd, we should calculate this one. For even, we should calculate this one. So it is 1 1. So function is 1 1 because for every distinct image, distinct element of A, distinct element of domain, we are getting distinct image in codomain. Okay, let us discuss about R to N to Z. Of course, Z for Z. Let us discuss about this is N, this is Z. Because we are getting negative numbers also. Yes, because we are getting negative numbers also. For every negative number or positive number here, pre-image will be there. Pre-image. If it is N, it is wrong. If here it is N, domain is N, range is Z, then we can say every Z, every number of this Z set having pre-image. That is why it is on to R. So 1 1 comma onto both. We can say it is bijection. In option he given only 1 1 onto third option. Now M is the 33. M is the set of all 2 cross 2 real matrices. F maps M to R. M is the set of all 2 cross 2 real matrices. So real matrix means defined, that may possible, that exists. F maps M to R defined by F of yes, that is given. F maps M to R. M means matrices, real matrices. F of A is equal to that A. F of equal to that A for all in A. Then M is in M. Then F is dash. 1 1 onto both anything. M is a set of all 2 plus 2 real numbers. Okay, but we should discuss about 1 1 onto like this. Maybe we have 2 matrices may have same name. May have, of course, I am not sure. because he is discussing that real matrix. May have saved it. May have saved it like this 1 0 0 0. That is, this is A, that this is B. 0 1 0 0. So what is the debt? Debt A equal to B. So maybe the chance is there. Even one case failures, then the function is not 1 1. So not 1 1 I can say. But according to given theory f maps m to r, different f is equal to f of equal to A for all m, for any real number. He given real matrix. Matrix is real. So real matrix. So that is defined. So this is m and this is r. Any value real number you can get. So for every real value there will be pre-image. So it is on to, but not 1. Yes, already heard it. On to, but not 1 1. 33. Second option. Now 34. 34th question, f maps r minus fractional part of n. R minus fractional part of n to r. So fractional part we should not consider. To r, the function defined by f of x is equal to x minus m by x minus n. X minus m by x minus n. Defined such that m not equal to n, of course. Then what? According to option, is it 1 1 or R2 or anything? F is 1 1, like this you should consider. Let y is equal to, whenever f of x is given, you should consider like this. To calculate inverse function concept, y is equal to x minus n by x minus n. Taking cross multiplication, yx minus yn minus x plus m equal to 0. Taking this side, y minus 1 into x is equal to like this. Is equal to yn minus m you can write. So x is equal to yn minus m by y minus 1. So here so x is equal to means the inverse function concept. Let f of x is equal to y. That implies x is equal to f inverse y. So here it becomes f inverse y is equal to yn minus m by y minus 1. So f inverse y is equal to, so here f inverse x, if you write, f inverse x is equal to xn minus m by x minus 1. The function, inverse function exists or inverse function defined when x not equal to 1, because x minus 1 not equal to 0 here. X minus 1 not equal to 0, so x not equal to 1. Let us see the options. X not equal to 1, he did not mention. He did not mention. So, if he mentioned whether for x is equal to 1 or anything, he given as real number. It's okay. From real number to real minus fraction part. From there to b, there to there means here for codomain to domain you are thinking, then you should not consider 1. There is no question of should not consider 1. Here you should write r minus 1. So whenever you not write, there is no pre-image for 1. So one case fails. Therefore it is not on. It is not on. Of course, for there is no square. Whenever there is no square, directly you can say that it is 1 1 properly. X not equal to m. Yes, mentioned r minus second, not fraction part here. R minus second. M we should not consider. It is okay. That is why it is 1 1. It is 1 1. 1 1 okay, but not onto. Such function is called as, should I said, into function. Of course, even though 1 1 not onto we can write, but according to option, we given as into function. So it is 1 1 into function. 1 1 into option 1. If the function is not onto, we can say that it is into function. Now, f of x is equal to f of x is equal to 0 if x is rational. X is rational means belongs to Q, we can write. Next, x, if x is irrational. Irrational means which is not rational other than real number. Real number minus Q. Next, g of x. G of x is given as 0 if x is rational. Rational means Q. Next, x, if x is irrational. X, g of x given as x. So x belongs to R minus Q. So whenever it is irrational. Now we should calculate f minus g to find f minus g. So you can write f of x minus g of x. For the rational, I am writing. For rational, for this one, you write 0, it is dash. Rational means 0 minus 0. Okay? For that, no, it is given as 0 for that. Yeah. This is R minus. This is Q. So 0 for rational, like this you should write 0 minus x. That is equal to 0 minus x. Answer minus x. Next, for irrational. For irrational, R minus Q definition like this. So x minus 0, it is x. So f minus g we got minus x and x. So separately we got minus x and x like this. This is for real number. I mean rational number. This is for R minus 1. Entirely separate minus x and x. Therefore it is 1, 1 and on to. Directly you can say 1, 1 comma on to both. 1, 1 comma on to both. That's all. But separate rational number, separate irrational number is given. So x and minus x separately given. So that is why 1, 1 and on to we can write. On to separate this one f minus g domain separately given. For every number of codomain there will be domain. Next, let us see 36. F of x and g of x are two functions such that g of x is equal to x minus 1 by x. G of x is equal to x minus 1 by x. And f circle g of x is given. F circle g of x is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. X cube minus 1 by x cube. Then f of x is equal to. There is no other method than verification. So verification is better. Verify option 1. Verify option 1. We should calculate f of x. So let us write f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x. X cube plus 3x. Now f circle g of x. F circle g of x formula f of g of x. So that is equal to f of x minus 1 by x. Instead of x, we should substitute here x minus 1 by x in x in the place of x cube plus 3x here. So write here x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x minus 1 by x. According to formula a cube minus a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So x cube minus 3a square b, so 3x square by x, 3x plus 3ab square, so plus 3 by x minus b cube 1 minus 1 by x cube plus 3x minus 3 by x. This is 3. So minus 3x plus 3x get cancelled. This one also get cancelled. We got the value x cube minus 1 by x. It is right. So option 1 is verified. Now 37. F of x is equal to ax plus b, g of x equal to cx plus d. Assume a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. F circle g of x equal to g circle f of x for all x. Then what can you say about c and d? Given f of x is equal to ax plus b, comma g of x is equal to cx plus d. Also, assume given a is equal to 1, b is equal to a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and the condition is f circle g of x is equal to g circle f of x. That implies we can write here f of g of x. F circle g means f of g of x is equal to g circle f means g of f of x. F of g of x is equal to g of f of x. That implies f of, you write here, g of x means cx plus d. F of cx plus d. That is equal to g of f of x means ax plus b. That implies instead of x here we should substitute cx plus d. So a into cx plus d plus b is equal to, instead of g of x here you should substitute g instead of x. So c into ax plus b plus d. That implies multiply here, it becomes acx plus ad, yeah, plus b equal to acx plus bc plus d. Now acx get cancelled. A value given as 1, b value given as 2. So 1 into d plus 2, right? And b value given as 2. So 2c plus d. D and d get cancelled. So c is equal to 1. So whenever d is going to get cancelled, maybe it is 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, anything. So d is any real. So c is equal to 1. D is any real number. D is any real. C confirmed as 1 and d is any real. Of course, he given the option as d is arbitrary, means any real number. Option 2. Now 38%. F of x is equal to sin square x. F of x equal to sin square x and composite function of g of f of x. G of f of x. Composite function of g of f of x equal to mod sin x. Then what is the function of g of x? Mod x is given, so root x should be there. That implies g of f of x with g of sin square x. So if you take the root of sin square x, it becomes simply mod sin x. So g of x should be mod x. G of x should be the function mod x is right answer. Not mod x, root x, not mod x. Root x, not mod. Root x is correct answer. Root x means second option. Now 39%. F maps R to R. F maps R to R, G maps R to R given by F maps R to R, G maps R to R. Total real number functions, given by f of x is equal to modulus of x, comma g of x is equal to step x. G of x equal to step x. For each x belongs to R, then x belongs to R given as x belongs to R, the set he given. Set of x belongs to R such that g of f of x lesser than or equal to f of g of x. G of f of x lesser than or equal to g of f of g of x. Now we can write here g of f of x means mod x. G of mod x lesser than or equal to f of g of x means step x. So g of g value is step x. So step of, instead of this x you can substitute mod x. So you can write a step of mod x lesser than or equal to here mod of step x. Yes, step of mod x. Here mod of step x. If you given any condition, then you can substitute. Otherwise, any number we can take. No, he did not give anything. Any number we can consider according to options. Put, I am thinking x is equal to 3.1. Let us, so mod is there, no? Let us see minus 3. Now minus 3.1 over modulus step. Here also modulus step minus 3.1. Minus 3.1 modulus means 3. 3 step 3. Don't write the symbol. Let us think. Minus 3.1 step means minus 4. Minus 4 modulus. 4. Here 3 less than, yes. Now you can write 3 less than 4. Of course, less than or equal to. If it is same number, okay, if it is true. Now let us consider simple numbers. Put x is equal to 5. So of course, modulus 5 of step lesser than equal to modulus of step 5 over modulus. This is of course 5 step 5. 5 is equal to 9. Directly 5 is equal to 5. So is equal to also satisfies, minus symbols also satisfies, minus integers also satisfies. Not integers, real numbers. So domain. So any real number, domain is equal to real number. Directly any real number we can substitute. So option 4. Now let us see 48%. Question 40. Let G maps are defined by G of x is equal to 3 plus 4x. G of x equal to 3 plus 4x. If G power n of x equal to G circle like this. G power n equal to G circle. So x G circle, so on circle G of x is and G power n of x. G power n of x is equal to a plus bx. Then what is a? What is b? A plus bx. What is the value of a? What is the value of b? Let verify with n equal to 2. So g square x, right, means simply g circle g of x enough. Only 2 g's are enough. G circle g of x means g of x. G of x. That implies g of x means 3 plus 4 into, instead of x you should substitute 3 plus 4x. Now 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 12. 3 plus 12 means 16. 3 plus 12 15, not 16. 15 plus 16x. 15 plus 16x is equal to a plus bx. Is equal to a plus b. Therefore a is equal to 15, comma b equal to 16. According to options, a is equal to 4 power n minus 1. Yes, b is equal to 4 power n. Instead of n you substitute 2. Option 2 I will take. Option 2, verify. Verify option 2. N equal to 2. 4 power n minus 1 comma 4 power. That's all. 15 comma 6. Now 40 comma. Question, cases arises. Question number 41. Let f be an injective function. F be an injective function with the domain x, y, z and range 1, 2, 3 such that exactly one of the following statement is correct. Read once again. Exactly one statement is correct. Remaining are false. So x, y, z, whatever he given the statements, f of x equal to 1, f of y equal to 1, f of z equal to 2. Among these three statements, only one is true. Remaining two are true. So let us take the cases. Then f inverse y, 1 is equal to dash. domain codomain concept, right? Let this is a function domain. Let this is A, this is B. Domain 1 injective function with domain x. This is x, y, z. Domain x, y, z, range 1. Range 1. Condition here and condition. Which one? F of x is equal to 1. F of x equal to 1. F of y equal to, no, f of y not equal to 1. F of z, f of z not equal to 2. Among the statements, one of the following statement is correct and remaining are false. So let us case 1 and case 1. Let f of x is equal to 1 is true. F of x equal to 1 is true. So this is 1, 2, 3, 3 statements are there. Let this is true. Only one is true. This true, this false, this false. Like that. Next case, this false, this true, this false. Next case, this false, this false, this true. Like that you can take true, true, true. Like this. F of x equal to 1. Directly you can say whenever f of x equal to 1, f inverse x is equal to 1. F inverse 1 equal to x. Option is there. But we should calculate everything. F of x equal to 1 is 2. F of y. F of y not equal to 1 is false. F of y not equal to 1 is false. So, f of y not equal to 1, it is false. So, f of y should be 1. F of y not equal to 1 is false. F of y not equal to 1. So, f of y equal to 1 should be true. Next, next we see, f of z not equal to 2 is false. F of y, f of z not equal to 2 is false. So, f of z, whenever students f of y not equal to 1 is false, maybe yes, 1 is true, so you should not write both options. 1 is true. So, maybe when it is false, f of y not equal to 1 is false. So, f of y equal to 1. So, it is wrong. F of x equal to 1, f of y equal to 1, maybe. Not f of z not equal to 2 is false. So, f of z equal to 2 is true. So, whenever 1 is false, f of y not equal to 1 is false. Just let us see the question once. F of x equal to 1, f of y not equal to 1. Yes, f of z not equal to 2. Let us see once. F of y not equal to 1 is false. So 1 is 1. F of y not equal to 1. F of y equal to 1. F of z not equal to 2. F of z equal to. Let us verify. F of x equal to 1 is true. This is true. Okay. Case 2 and right. Case 2. F of x is equal to 1 is false. F of x equal to 1 is false. Therefore, f of x is equal to 1 is false. So, f of x equal to 2 or 3. Now, f of y not equal to 1 is true. Yes, f of y not equal to 1 is true. So, whenever f of y not equal to 1, so there is a chance that f of y equal to 2, f of y not equal to 1. So, f of y equal to 2 or f of y equal to 3. Not equal to 1. In the similar way, let us think about this one. F of z not equal to 2 is false. Only 1 is true. F of z not equal to 2 is false. So, f of z should be 2. So, f of z should be 2. So, here it is 2 cases arises. Here f of z not equal to 2 is false. So, 2 is false. Not equal to 2 is false means 2. Yes. Here also 2 or 3 we are getting 2 cases. 2 or 3. So, f of y may be 3 or may be 2. Like this, we should not get to such cases. Next, Case 3. F of x is equal to 1 is false. So in the similar way we can say that f of x is equal to 2 or 3. F of y not equal to 1 is false. Let us write. F of y not equal to 1 is false. Therefore f of y equal to 1 is right. Right. Next, f of z, this one false, false, true we can write. F of z not equal to 2 is true. F of z 2 is wrong. So f of z 2 is wrong. So f of z not equal to 2 is simply. So f of z not equal to 2. That's all. Now so whenever f of x equal to 2, f of z not equal to 2. Exactly. So decide it off. Here 2. Here whenever f z not equal to 2, it should be 3. Not equal to, yes, f of z is not equal to. If we confirm this one 1, f of z equal to 3, of course f of x equal to 2. So the concept is like this: x, y, z, and here 1, 2, 3. Map like this: x2, y1, z. This is the correct way. These two are not improper way. Therefore, you can say that f of y equal to 1 or f inverse y equal to 1. F inverse 1 equal to y is the correct answer. F inverse y equal to 1 is the correct answer. Yes, option 2. These are not improper. We cannot say this f of x equal to 1 is 2 and same, whenever it is same we are getting, it is not bijection, so leave it. 2 or 3, here 2 or 3 cases are yes. Whenever 2 here, they can 2 here we are considering, here we are considering, here we are considering. No, it is wrong because it should be bijection. So that is why case 3 is the right way. Now 42. F maps. Before going to discuss the 42nd question, let us discuss about inverse function. If a function is bijective, that is f maps A to B, then f inverse maps B to A is said to be an inverse function. Is said to be an inverse function of f. Example, it should be bijective rule. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can take x, y, 1x, 2y, 3z. You should not take that like this. 1x, 2y, 3z. This is f of x. x1. If you put arrow mark like that, this is f. If you put arrow mark, this is f inverse. F inverse x equal to 1, f inverse y equal to 2, f inverse z equal to 2. It is inverse function. This is a small example. For every inverse function, we should calculate the values of inverse function depends upon domains of the each function whatever they are given. Now f maps just like it should be 1 comma infinity to 1 comma infinity. So f of x is next concept I am taking. If f of x is equal to y, that implies x is equal to f inverse y. X is equal to this can calculate x. X is equal to whenever x is equal to y. Just let us take an example. Example I am discussing. F of x is equal to ax plus b. To calculate the inverse function of such ax plus b, let f of x is equal to y. We should write. That implies ax plus b is equal to y. So ax is equal to, take x as a subject here. Ax equal to y minus b. X is equal to y minus b whole by a. it becomes f inverse of y, because let here is right. X is equal to f inverse y. This is the rule. So f inverse y is equal to y minus b by a. Substitute x instead of y. So f inverse x is equal to x minus b by a. Like this for each and every function. Depends upon the domain. If it is bijective, we can calculate inverse functions. F of x is equal to, given as a 2 power x into x minus 1. 2 power x into x minus 1. We should calculate the f inverse. Let x is equal to f of x is equal to y. This is rule. Then it becomes x is equal to f inverse y. Using this one, you do the sums of level 1, inverse function level 1. X is equal to f inverse y. So y is equal to, you can write 2 power x into x minus 1. Let us write the formula. Already we know, we have discussed in IPE. Formula, if a power x is equal to m, then x is equal to log m to the base a. So taking logarithm both sides concept. So that implies we can write here x a power x concept. So 2 power x into x minus 1 concept is equal to y. So x into x minus y is becoming as log y to the base 2. Log y to the base 2. That implies x square minus x minus log y to the base 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. QE in x. This is a quadratic equation in x. Using the formula for quadratic equation x, to calculate the roots, use the formula minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to, take here 1 plus r minus root b square means 1 minus 4ac. So minus 4 into minus 1. So plus 4 log 2, 4 log y to the base 2 whole by 2. X is equal to log of 1 plus r minus 1 comma infinity given, so minus don't consider x. So you can write this one using f inverse y and f inverse x, write 1 plus root of 1 plus 4 log x to the base 2 whole by 2. Let us see the option. 1 by 2 totally taken comma 4 log x base 2. Second option is right answer. 42nd, second option. Now 43rd. 43rd, f of x is equal is a polynomial x greater than 0 satisfying. Already I said in trigonometry also, if this is called as functional relation. Let us write functional relation. If f of x plus minus f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to f of x into f of 1 by x, then put f of x is equal to x power n plus or minus 1. X, no need, f of 1 plus or minus x. 1 plus or minus 1 plus or minus x power. Substitute here and you can get the value. 1 plus or minus x power. According to options, now we can verify f of x plus f of 1 by x equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x equal to given value f of 2 equal to minus 7. So let f of x is equal to 1 minus, because minus is there, 1 minus x power n. F of 2 is equal to, if you are having any doubt, you can substitute instead of using this one. F of 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 power n, that is equal to minus 7. So a is equal to 2 power n, so n is equal to 3 confirm. Now we should calculate f of 3. F of 3 is equal to 1 minus x power 3. So 1 minus 3 power 3. X means here. F of x is equal to 1 minus x cube. You can write. 1 minus f of 3 I am writing. 1 minus 3 cube. 1 minus 27, answer minus 26. Minus 26 is correct option. First option. Now let us see 44th question. A function f maps R to R defined by f of x into f of x into f of minus f of x is equal to x plus f of x into f of y minus f of x is equal to x plus y for all x belongs to R, f of y greater than 0. Simply verification only. Verification. We should get the answer LHS equal to RHS. Option 4, verify. Verify and ready. Simply verify option 4. F of x is equal to x plus 1. So that implies it becomes here x plus 1 into y plus 1. X plus 1 into y plus 1 minus of x plus 1 into y plus 1. F of x. F of x into f of x. Not like this. F of x meaning itself verifying x plus 1. X plus 1 into y plus 1. F of x means x plus 1. F of y means y plus 1. So f of xy means xy plus 1 like this. Now multiply like this, xy plus x plus y plus 1 minus xy minus 1. 1 minus 1 get cancelled, xy get cancelled. Yes, we got x plus y. Verified, fourth option. Now 45th question. 45th question. If a function defined by sigma k is equal to 1 to n f of a plus k is equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 1, then f. Next, the condition given as f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Also, f of 1 is equal to 2 given. So let f of x is equal to 2 power x, because 2 power x plus y becomes 2 power x dot 2 power y. So it is true. Now that implies directly we can write sigma k is equal to 1 to n 2 power a plus k. 2 power a plus k is equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 1. That implies 2 power a plus k can be understood as 2 power a dot 2 power k. So 2 power a taken down because the condition is there for only k. Sigma k is equal to 1 to n. This is 2 power k is equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 1. So that implies right here 2 power a into substitute here 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 plus like this. 2 power 1 plus 2 power 3 plus or 2 power n. That is equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 1. So 2 power a into 2 you take common, it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus 1 at last it is 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 1. The formula of Sn in Gp a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r greater than 1. Here 2 is greater than 1. That is why you can write here 2 power a into 2. That implies I am writing 2 power a into 2 formula. A into means 1 into 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 1. Here 2 power n minus 1 term get cancelled. This is 2 power a into 2 by 2 minus 1 becomes 1 is equal to 2. This becomes, will be divided 8 times. 2 power a is equal to 2 cube, 8 means, so a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 is the right answer here. Next one, 46. This is the last question of level 2. 46th question. A real function f of x satisfies f of x minus y is equal to f of x into f of y. F of x into f of y minus of f of a minus x into f of a plus y. F of 0 is equal to 1. This is given. F of 0 is equal to 1. This is the value. We should calculate f of 2a minus x. Find f of 2a minus x. Okay, I am writing put x equal to 0 comma y equal to 0 using this equation. F of 0 minus 0 equal to f of 0 into f of 0 minus f of a minus 0 into f of a plus 0. So f of 0 is equal to f of 0 whole square minus f of a into f of a, you can get f of a whole square. F of 0 he given as 1. That is why I put substituted 1 0 here. So 1 is equal to 1 minus f of a whole square. F of a whole square. 1 get cancelled, of course. Therefore f of a whole square is 0. We can say that f of a is also 0. F of a we got as 0. Now f of 2a minus x. You consider this one using f of a concept. So f of a minus x, right? Using 1 I am writing. Using 1 means using the relation. So a means here x. Like this you should write. F of a into y means second letter, a means first letter. F of a minus x minus f of a minus x means a minus a plus x, right here, into f of a plus y. So a plus a minus x. A plus a minus x. F of a meaning we got 0. So substitute 0 into anything 0. This is minus f of x into f of a plus x. F of 2a minus x. F of 2a minus x. A minus y, a minus of a plus a plus y. So a plus a minus x. F of 2a minus x we got. F of 2a minus x only. You should not get f of 2a minus x. Same we are getting. Minus f of x. Just once verify. F of x minus y is equal to f of a 0 we got. F of a minus x. It is wrong. A minus a will be getting cancelled. F of, like this we should consider. Now substitute here. F of a into f of x minus a. This is x minus a. A minus, this is a minus x formula. A minus x. This is 2a minus x. Using this one, f of x means f of x minus a minus f of a minus x is first minus second minus x plus a minus x. A means a only, students. X means a. This is wrong item. F of a minus x. X means a. Y means this one. Into f of a means a plus y means x minus a. This is right. A get cancelled. It is 0. Yes. Now f of a 0. F of a 0. So this is 0 minus f of 0 into f of x. F of 0 value is given as 1. So that is equal to minus 1 into f of x. Yes. We got the answer minus f of x. Minus f of x we got the answer. Okay students, successfully we have completed the functions level 2 classwork. Some problems are there, depends upon the function domain concepts. We can discuss the important sums in next class. In level 1 some problems and level 3 some problems. We can finish the function chapter next class.